Singapore. The history. Chinese culture in Singapore has evolved in a way unlike other communities around the world. Singapore is a tiny Southeast Asian nation-state located in a region with many ethnic groups, of which the Chinese comprise only a small percentage of the overall population. However, the Chinese form the majority in Singapore's living alongside the significant proportion of a non-Chinese residents. The flags. The national flag consists of two equal horizontal sections, red above, white. White symbolizes providing and everlasting purity and virtue. The crescent moons represents a young nation of the ascendants, and the 5 stars depicts Singapore's ideals of democracy, peace, progress, justice, and equality. The people of Singapore. The population of Singapore is diverse, the result of considerable past immigration. Chinese predominate, making up some 3/4 of the total. Malays are the next largest ethnic groups, and the Indians is the third. None of those 3 major communities is homogeneous. Culture and religion. Is a contemporary modern culture consists of a combination of Asian and European cultures, mainly by Malay, South Asia, East Asian, and Eurasian influences. Singapore has been dubbed as a country where East means West, gateway to Asia, and a garden of sea. Singapore's a relative spiritual people. A survey conducted by Gallup found that 70% see religions to be particularly important to their daily lives. Language. Singapore's indigenous population was originally Malay, but it was under British colonial rule for much of its history. After the British arrived in 1890, other travelers came from the India and Sri Lanka. Singapore 4 official languages are Malay, Mandarin, Tamil, and English because of its bilingual education policy. Most citizens speak 2 or more languages, usually English, their ethnic mother tongue, and potential others. Malay, and the national anthem of Singapore, is Songsuin Malay. Mandarin. The majority of Singapore population has roots in China and has such a Mandarin in the official recognized Chinese language. Tamil. Part of Singapore population originally hailed from the southern India, and Tamil is Singapore official India language. English. The legacy of British colonialism has cemented English as the most commonly spoken language in Singapore urban hub, servicing and the lingua franca for the country's ethnically diverse population. Food and its history. Singaporean cuisine has also been influenced by its colonial history, as it established as a British colonial from the early 19th century until the mid-20th. The unique ingredients is the salted egg prawn. Salted egg paste just make everything taste better. Serve up at the ultimate prawn with this recipe. Unique tools and equipment. Molar and pestle. A good solid mortar and pestle is the most for pounding spices, pulverizing garlic and ginger, brushing lemongrass, and general preparation for its Singaporean dishes. Experienced cooks prefer the hands-on aspects and control a mortar and gives a purpose a blender of food processor. Rojak bowl. A deep bowl, often ceramic, with which ingredients of the crunchy salad jorak are mixed and the dark versus sauce dressing is added in the toast tray. Wok, a versatile round bump pan that is primarily identified with cooking stir fries, but it's also used to deep fry, braise, stew, smoke, or make soup. Famous dish is a bean sprout salad. Add a refreshing Korean starter on the menu that easy to prepare but sophisticatedly is taste. The rich umami and honey sweet flavored dressing is the combination of authentic Korean soybeans paste and nor rock sugar honey sauce. The main course is a pattaya-style crispy fish, in the mode for the some Thai-inspired seafood. Try this recipe, tender and delicate marble goby fish, deep fried for crispy golden perfection. The sweetness of the fish enhanced the rich tom yum sauce will leave you craving for more. Dessert. Sticky dates pudding with sweet tamarind sauce. This classy dessert takes on a refreshing twist with a delicious sweet tamarind sauce. Enjoy the scoop of ice cream for the perfect combination of textures and flavors. Soup. Mala soup base. Satisfy dinner cravings for the spicy, oily, tongue-numbing sensations and the mala. The rich mixtures of spices and seasonings like sinizohan, peppercorn, dried chili, paste, a dash of nor concentrated chicken stock recreates this authentic taste. Special occasion and events and their food prepare for the occasion. Singapore. Singaporean cuisine. The food of Singapore is diverse at its population. There are those who say Singapore does not have its own distinct cuisine. Rather, it is just a mix of different Asian dishes and styles. Do's and don'ts when traveling Singapore. Don'ts. Do not chew gum are banned in Singapore and may get you arrested. Leave at home before travel. Do not litter while in Singapore. Laws are strictly enforced relating to littering. Do not smoke in public. Smoking is illegal in closed public places. Do not discuss religions or politics. Do not make jokes either. Do not touch someone's head. The head is considering scared. Do not bring food in a MRT, mass rapid transport. Offenders will fine up to $200. Do not tip. Tipping is not customary in Singapore and it is frowned down upon by the government. Thus, do address someone using the title of Mr., Mrs., or Miss with the surname. Do not use first name unless you are invited to. Do shake hands or warm greetings, but be aware that Malays will not shake hands, Muslims will not shake hands with the opposite sex. Do give a slight bow for older Chinese people. Do remove your shoes while entering a private home, a temple, or a mosque. Do leave a little in a plate when you have finishing eating. Do be conservative in your behavior. Dress conservatively for business functions and dress casual in other situations. Do have coins when you win the need to use the public toilet. Do you have handy cash ready to use? Do not rely on your credit card. Dining etiquette. Dining etiquette for a toast. You will know that the meal has officially begun when the host invites you to sip your beverage. A common ritual will be for you host to raise his/her own hand glass to say the equivalent of please or ching in Tornu should raise your glass with a both hand. Dining etiquette for chopstick. Use chopsticks if you are in Chinese restaurants. Follow the rules for using chopsticks in the Chinese. Dining etiquette sections. Dining etiquette is for eating fish, as is in Hong Kong. If you are served fish, do not turn in the plate. When eating with Malays and Indians, you will probably use a spoon and a fork, and you may something also use your right hand. The spoon is an utensil that should be put in your mouth, while the fork is your scooping the food into your spoon. Trivia about the country and the cuisine. Singapore is the one of the only three surviving city-states in the world. The other two are the Monaco and the Vatican City. Sang Nila Utama, a prince from Pelambing, saw a creature he thought was a lion, and the name is the island, Singapura, which means Lion City in Sanskrit.